Hey guys, how are you? My name is Inamur Rahman and today topic is biotechnology. Biotechnology is a field that involves the use of living organisms, cells and biological system to develop products and technologies that can improve human life and the environment. It intersects with various disciplines such as biology, chemistry, genetics, and engineering, and has application in healthcare, agriculture, environmental conservation, and industrial process. Key areas of biotechnology. Medical biotechnology focuses on developing technologies and products for healthcare. This includes drugs developments, gene therapy, uh, regenerative medicine, and the creation of vaccines and diagnostics tools. Gene therapy involves 5G, potentially reaching terabits per second Tbps. This would enable almost instantaneous data transmission, supporting ultra high definition content and complex application. Lower latency could drop to microseconds, enabling real-time communications and interaction, which is critical for applications like remote surgery, autonomous vehicles, and augmented reality. Expanded connectivity. 6G will likely support massive machine type communication (MMTC) with a focus on connecting a vast number, linking it to a central server edge. AI reduce latency, privacy by keeping sensitive data on the device. Generative models. Definition. Generative models are a class of AI algorithms that can create new data instance similar to a given dataset. They are widely used in generating image, text, music, and even synthetic data. Type of generative models. Generative adversarial network GANs. This consists of two neural network, the generator and which work together to produce realistic data. Variational autoencoder these are another type of generative model used to generate new data points from a learned distribution. Transformer models in a context of text and images generation model like GPT for text. Super intelligent AI, a level of AI that surpasses including creativity, problem solving, and social intelligence. This is also theoretical core AI technologies. Machine learning (ML), a subset of AI focused on building systems that can learn and improve from experience. ML algorithm use data to identify patterns and make decisions with minimal human intervention. Deep learning, a type of ML that uses neural networks with many layers, deep networks to model complex patterns in data. It is the driving force behind many recent AI advancements, especially natural recognition, natural language processing (NLP) enables computers to understand, interpret, and respond to human language in a way that is both meaningful and useful. Examples include chatbots and language translation services. Computer vision allows machine to interpret and make decisions based on visual inputs like image and videos. It's used in facial recognition, autonomous vehicles, and medical imaging. Robotics combines AI with robotics to create machines that can perform physical tasks. AI is robotic is essential for autonomous systems like drones, industrial robots. Lacks generalization beyond programming journal AI, strong AI, hypothetical AI that possesses the ability to perform an intelligence task a human can. This is still in the realm of science fiction. Super intelligent AI, a level of AI that surpasses, including creativity, problem solving, and social intelligence. This is also theoretical core AI technologies. Machine learning ML, a subset of AI focused on building systems that can